Waxing doesn't have to hurt. Watch this. She always believed pain was part of the process. Until she learned this one thing that changed everything. This video will show you how to wax with your body, not against it, so the experience becomes calmer, softer, and surprisingly gentle. Most of our pain comes from tension. When the body holds fear, the skin tightens, and the muscles clench. But when we soften and breathe, the skin opens, and waxing becomes smooth and much easier. Stay with me until the end, because the last technique is the one that shifted everything for her. Let's begin with our first principle, the power of softness. Pain always increases when we tense up. Softness is the antidote. When your mind expects pain, your muscles instinctively tighten. This pulls on the skin, making the sensation of waxing feel sharper and more intense. The key is to consciously soften your body. Before the strip is even applied, drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw. That simple act signals safety to your nervous system. You'll find that waxing becomes so much smoother when your body is unguarding itself against an anticipated threat. Next, let's talk about your breath, because your breath sets the entire tone. If your breath is rushed and shallow, your skin will react with just as much panic. A slow, steady breath is proven to lower your body's sensitivity to pain. Take a deep inhale to prepare the body, and then a long, slow exhale as the action happens. This simple rhythm keeps your nervous system at ease. The rule is simple: calm breath equals calm skin. Now, let's discuss temperature. It's crucial to use warm wax, not hot wax. The right temperature can completely change how your skin responds. Warm wax helps relax the pores, making it easier for the hair to be removed. Hot wax, on the other hand, causes irritation and can even shock the skin, leading to more pain and redness. Always test the wax on your wrist first. The skin should feel soothed and comforted by the warmth, not shocked by intense heat. Warmth invites softness and prepares the skin for a gentle experience. Here's a simple trick that spas use to reduce discomfort. Pressure before the pull. A simple touch can change everything. Applying firm but gentle hand pressure to the skin right next to the strip signals safety. It grounds the nervous system and prevents that sharp, stinging effect when the strip is removed. Your body instinctively relaxes when it feels held and supported. And after the pull, place a gentle palm over the area. This soothing pressure calms the nerves instantly. Our next point is that slow movement matters. Rushing is where pain hides. Every part of the process benefits from a slower pace. Apply the wax slowly and deliberately. Match it with a slow, steady breathing rhythm. Use your supporting hand slowly to hold the skin taut. Even the reveal of the strip can be done with intention rather than a panicked drip. Slow, mindful movements teach your skin to trust the process, reducing fear and tension. Let's talk about preparation, specifically pre-waxing skin hydration. Dry skin holds on tight, but soft, supple skin releases with ease. Make it a habit to hydrate daily, especially in the areas you plan to wax, like the bikini line. Moisturized skin is more elastic and stretches gently, while dry skin is more prone to micro tears and irritation. Be sure to use unscented moisturizers to avoid any potential irritation. Remember, hydrated skin leads to a smoother, less painful experience. Your mindset has a direct and powerful effect on your physical sensations. Your thoughts can literally change your pain level. When you approach waxing with fear and anxiety, your body's sensitivity is heightened. But when you cultivate a sense of calm, your tolerance for discomfort increases. Try practicing visualization. Before you begin, close your eyes and imagine the process being gentle and smooth. Frame it in your mind as an act of self-care, not harm. Your body follows the directions of your mind. Now let's consider your physical posture. Body position matters, because comfort equals ease. Find a relaxed, seated, or reclined position where your body feels fully supported. Use pillows to support your lower back or hips, allowing your muscles to completely let go. Make sure you aren't holding your breath while getting into position. Your back should be relaxed, not tensed. The body can only truly open and soften when it feels stable and supported. Properly prepping the skin right before you wax is also key. Preparation is half the experience. Start by cleansing the area to remove any oils or bacteria. A very light exfoliation a day or two before can help prevent ingrown hairs, but avoid it on the day of waxing. Most importantly, make sure the skin is completely dry before you apply the wax, and avoid using any lotions or oils right before you start, as they can prevent the wax from gripping properly. Prepared skin is calm skin. When you're ready to begin, start with smaller sections. This gives you more control and leads to significantly less pain. Don't try to wax a large area all at once. Begin with small, manageable strips, perhaps working gradually from the outside in. This slow, rhythmic approach builds your confidence and prevents your brain from becoming overwhelmed. When the process is broken down into small, easy steps, your body stays in a state of comfort and trust. And now for the secret that changed everything for her. Exhale on the pull. This is the core technique. Take a deep, calming inhale just before the strip is pulled. Then, at the exact moment the strip lifts from your skin, release a full, audible exhale. This exhale is a powerful signal to your nervous system to let go. You will feel your skin and muscles soften instantly. It turns a moment of tension into a moment of release. This single shift in breathing is what transformed her entire waxing experience from painful to manageable. Immediately after the strip is removed, your skin needs reassurance. This is where a soothing touch comes in. Gently hold your hand or palm flat on the freshly waxed area for a few moments. That gentle pressure helps to reduce the activation of the nerve endings, essentially calming the sting. It signals safety and comfort to your body, and the warmth from your hand helps the skin relax. You'll notice that any lingering discomfort fades much faster with this simple step. After you're finished, post-wax cooling is your best friend. Cool temperatures are incredibly effective at calming the skin. You can use a cool damp cloth or a pure aloe vera gel straight from the refrigerator. Avoid using ice directly on the skin, as the extreme cold can be a shock and cause further irritation. The goal is gentle cooling, not freezing. Soft, cool temperatures are what your skin responds to best, and this will dramatically reduce any redness or inflammation. Throughout this entire process, I want you to speak kindly to yourself. Your internal tone shapes your physical experience more than you know. Soft, encouraging self-talk has a direct calming effect on your nervous system, because your body hears your mind. Try repeating gentle phrases, either out loud or in your head, like "I am safe," "I am soft," or "my skin is relaxed." Calm words create calm skin. You'll be amazed at how your body's response to pain changes based on your emotional tone. Finally, the biggest shift is internal. The real change for her wasn't just about technique. It was about her relationship with her body. She stopped fighting her skin and started working with it. She learned to listen to its needs. Waxing transformed from a moment of endurance and pain into a deliberate act of care and attention. And in that shift, everything softened. She realized the gentleness she was finally offering her skin was the gentleness she had finally learned to offer herself. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these techniques bring more ease and softness into your routine. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more tips on mindful self-care. See you next time.